Summer of '69 is a teen sex comedy. In an effort to land the guy she's been pining after since grade school, Abby hires a local stripper named Santa Monica to teach her everything she needs to know about confidence and sex. This is your typically lame, juvenile teen movie that will probably appeal to Justin Bieber fans. The acting is terrible. The script is cheesy. And it is not the slightest bit funny. In summary, this is a crap film for sexually frustrated imbeciles.